Okay, so hi, my name is Brianna, and I'm with Purple Pandas, obviously. I was product manager on this AI, and here it is. So our AI is an insect bite recognition one, and basically it allows the user to upload a picture of an insect bite, and will then relay like from which insect it came. So we're just gonna try it out right away. And so basically, the user will just upload a picture of their insect and it will take them here.
Hi, my name is Anya, and I'm a backend engineer in this project. And our product detected the bytes using the bounding boxes, and it relays it to the user with its accuracy. So in this case, it would be 0.65. Once the user is redirected to this page, they can see what insect bit them in case, in this case, it's ticks. The user can then see that these are the treatments and suggestions that for whichever insect bit them. So in this case, it would look at the ticks since our product gave them that it was a tick bite. So once they're done looking at this, they can return to the home page by clicking on the home button below.
Hello, my name is Nathaniel Tirado, and I am the front end engineer. This is the purpose of our project. With this project, we aim to develop an AI that allows the user to upload a picture of any insect bite and relate all the necessary information. Essentially, users will be able to identify the bite they have and what insect gave it to them. Ultimately, we would like to be able to tell the user whether or not that insect could be carrying a deadly disease and offer suggestions on any possible treatments they could potentially need.
I'm Anit, and I'm a front-end engineer. We made the Meet the Team section so users could get to know us better. Our names are Anit, Brianna, Jasmine, Nathaniel, Anya, and Ansh. We are all beginner coders, but we also enjoy learning.
Okay, so hi, my name is Jasmine. I am I was part of the backend team and I was the web developer. So we have our data here, and we have the confusion matrix, the P curve, the F1 curve, the R curve, the PR curve, and we have label graphs. So basically we have like a cool feature to kind of check out kind of like a summary of what it is, like for example, the confusion matrix or the error matrix. Basically to show that our model explains a specific type of layout for the performance of the algorithm, which is very correspondent specifically since ours is a type of supervised learning. And I think that's about it. Also, before we end this, a huge shout out to our mentor, Ansh, and the AI camp as a whole, because this is a very good learning opportunity for us. So thank you.
And just
Thank you. Oh, go
down
ahead.
here
Sorry.
at the, oh, sorry. Down here at the end, basically we just have a link to the AI like camp itself so that anybody who's directed here can visit that page. And at the bottom here, we have like where the user can input any like opinions and suggestions because we always want to improve our website since we are beginners. So we're always looking to improve. Yeah.